Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this simple question on the board. Now look at what you are given. We are going that log into 3 minus ln s base 2 is equals to what ln sine x, sorry. We are going to what log what 3 minus sine x base 2 is equals to what sine what x. We are asked to look for the value of x. This question is as simple as ABCD. Now our first step, what we are going to do, okay, let's obey the properties of what logarithm or logarithm. Okay, remember that this is in what logarithm form. Okay, let's remove it from logarithm form to what exponential form. That means 2 raised to the power of ln s give us what 3 minus ln s, sorry, not ln x, sine x, sorry for that, please. That means 2 raised to the power of sine s is equals to what 3 minus what sine x. Let's do that quickly. That means 2 raised to the power of this, okay, which is 2 raised to the power of sine x is equals to 3 minus what sine x. You can see that we are removing from this from exponential form because we are removing this from logarithm form because there's no log again, and this is what in initial word form. We can see that something is common. We are not wrong if we say that let sine x, okay, which is common, equals to what q. Okay, that means 2 raised to the power of q, okay, will be equals to 3 minus what q. Now what we are going to do here is to divide both sides by 2 raised to the power of q. So if we divide here by 2 raised to the power of q, also divide this by 2 raised to the power of what q. Now this will give us 1 equals to what? Now let's obey the properties of indices here. So this is sent as into 3 minus q multiplied by 2 raised to the power what minus what q. Okay, we are not wrong. Okay, by obeying the properties of indices. Now what we are going to do, the power here is minus what q. That means the coefficient of 2 raised to the power of q is into 3 minus q. Now I want the power here to be the same as what is here, because in the equation of 2 raised to the power minus q is 3 minus q. So what will you do to this so that I can have the same thing here? It's not far. It's just to multiply both sides by 2 raised to the power of 3. Yes, if you multiply both sides by 2 raised to the power of 3, we are going to obtain what is here. So let's do it fast. So that's that 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of what 3 equals to into 3 minus what q, okay. Then multiply by 2 raised to the power what minus q, multiply again 2 raised to the power what 3, because multiply both sides by 2 raised to the power what 3. Now this will give us what 2 raised to the power what 3, because 1 multiplied by this is 2 raised to the power 3, okay, equals to into 3 minus q, okay, multiply by, since the bases are the same, let's take a single base and add the index. So consider this now become what 2 raised to the power what 3 minus what q by adding the index. Wow, this is amazing. This is what we are looking for. But I want to draw your mind to one of the properties of logarithm, that a is equals to e raised to the power what ln a. This properties is very important. Okay, very, very important. So what we are going to do, I want to apply it here. Do you know that we are not wrong? If we decide to write all this as, yeah, will give us what? This will give us 8, because 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, equals to into 3 minus q, okay, multiplied by e raised to the power what ln 2 to the power of what 3 minus what q. We are not wrong, my brothers and sisters, by obeying this property. As far as we are obeying this properties, we are not wrong, because a is equals to e raised to the power of ln a. If you are watching my videos on this channel, I've already proved why e raised to the power of ln a is equals to a. I'll prove it. Okay, now if we simplify what is here, e raised to the power of ln 2 to the power of 3 minus q will give us the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 3 minus q. And again, let's also obey one of the properties. This power here, which is 3 minus q, will go back to multiply the ln. So what this is 8 equals to into 3 minus q, okay, multiplied by e raised to the power what 3 minus what q, okay, ln 2. Wow, this is amazing. Now we can observe that here we are having 3 minus q, and here we are having the power here as what 3 into 3 minus q multiplied by ln 2. Now let me draw your mind to what you are trying to do. I want to draw your mind to what Lambert W function, the omega. Remember that Lambert W function is the product of logarithm. That is the product of what logarithm. Now the reason why we are doing all sorts of things you are seeing here is for a way, because Lambert W function is being addressed, is being defined as, if you have the Lambert W function, the Lambert W function of into a multiplied by e raised to the power of a is equals to what a. Now what if we take the Lambert W function of both sides now? What will happen? Remember that here we are having what 3 minus q. Let's take 3 minus q as a, okay, and a is also as the exponent here, which is e raised to the power of a, But what you are having as the exponent here is into 3 minus q link 2. So what are we going to do so that this and this must be equal? We have to multiply both sides by link 2. That's what we are going to do so that we can achieve this what you are looking for. Okay, so let's multiply both sides by link 2. So this will become what? 8. Okay, 8 what? Sorry, 8 link 2. We are multiplying both sides by link 2, right? Then equals to into 3 minus q multiplied by what? Link 2. Okay, multiplied by e raised to the power what? Into 3 minus q. Okay, link what? Link 2. Wow, this is amazing. This is what you are looking for. Consider that this, which is 3 minus q link 2, is the same thing as 3. Let me write it very well. 3 minus what? Q. Consider that 3 minus q link 2 is the same thing as 3 minus q link 2 as its power here. Then we are okay. But I want you to understand, you know that we can play a little big man play here at our left hand side, which is what? 8 minus what? Link 2. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a trouble. Look at what I'm going to do. Do you know that? Look at what I'm going to do. That 4 times 2 is 8. So I'm not wrong if I write this as 2 times 4 link 2. Not wrong. Do you know why I'm doing this? I can also, if I take the Lambert W function of this, I have something at instead of using our calculator, which is we are not, that calculator is not at, if you don't have that calculator, you cannot find that value of Lambert W function. So I'm looking for a way to remove that Lambert W function. I want to obey the properties, then I will remove it. That's what I want to do. Equals to what? Into 3 minus q link what? Link 2 multiplied by e raised to the power what? Into 3 minus q link what? Link 2. Alright, now you know that I'm not wrong if I decide to write this as what? I decide to write this as 2 link 2, okay, multiplied by 4. My brother and sister, observe the question. I'm having here 4 multiplied by 2. Remember that 2 times 4 is 8. So if I'm not wrong to write this as 2 multiplied by link 2 multiplied by 4, I'm not wrong. Remember, as far as what is the relationship between all this is multiplication sign. So I'm not wrong in any way. Okay, equals to, okay, into 3 minus q, okay, link what? Link 2 multiplied by e raised to the power what? Into 3 minus q link what? Link 2. I'm looking for a way. There's a way I'm looking for. Okay, now do you know that here I'm having 4? Do you know that I'm not wrong? Okay, by obeying these properties. If I add this is 2 link 2 multiplied by e raised to the power what? Link 4. I'm not wrong in any way, because e raised to the power link 4 is just what? 4. Don't forget, please, by obeying the law of logarithm, that a is equal to e raised to the power link a. So e raised to the power link 4 is just 4. So in place of 4 now, I put what? E raised to the power link 4 equals to into 3 minus q, then link what? Link 2 multiplied by e raised to the power what? Into 3 minus what? Q link what? Link 2. Wow, this is beautiful. Now again, this 4 we are seeing, we're also taking in index form. Remember that 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. So this 4 you are seeing, I can also write it as 2 link what? Link 2 multiplied by e raised to the power what? 2 link what? Link 2. Can you see how interesting it is? Very simple. Because 2 link 3 is link 4. Okay, equals to into 3 minus q, okay, multiplied by link 2 multiplied by e raised to the power what? Into 3 minus q multiplied by what? Link what? 2. Wow, this is amazing. Now let's take the Lambert W function of both sides. That means the Lambert W function of 2 link 2 multiplied by e raised to the power what? 2 link what? 2 is equals to the Lambert W function of 3 minus q, okay, link 2, okay, multiplied by e raised to the power what? Into 3 minus q multiplied by what? Link what? Link 2. Okay, we can close the word parenthesis. Now let's observe from the definition of Lambert W function. The Lambert W function of a multiplied by e raised to the power a is equals to a. That means we are seeing this 2 link 2 as the a, and the power here, which is 2 link 2, as the a. So the outcome will just be what? Will just be 2 link 2. Okay, that means the Lambert W function of this will just give us what? 2 link what? 2. Is it not amazing? Okay, it's amazing. Now we are escaped the Lambert W function. We are escaped that problem. Okay, now this will be equals to, all this will just give us what? Into 3 minus q, okay, link what? Link 2. Wow, this is amazing. Now let's divide both sides by link 2. So if we divide this by what? Link 2, okay, also divide here by what? Link what? 2. Now this link 2 will cancel out this and also cancel out what? This. That's amazing. So let's see what will be left with. Okay, let me remove this from here. Okay, Alright. Alright, let's see. So we're going to add that this is 2 equals to 3 minus what? Q. Okay, you can see it's very it's awesome, right? You can see it's awesome because we are escaped what we are escaped the Lambert W function. Okay, now you can solve this simple linear equation. So you can see that let's subtract 3 from both sides. This is 2 minus 3 equals to minus what? Q. This will give us minus 1 equals to minus what? Q. Let's divide both sides by minus 1 so that we can have Q. This will cancel out this, so 1 is equals to what? Q. This implies that Q is equals to what? 1. This is the value of Q. But I want you to remember that we are not asked to solve for Q. We are asked that what is the value of what? X. So let me remove this from here, okay? So I can find the value of what? X. Alright, I can stop here. Okay, now recall that our X, that sine X, okay, is equals to what? Q. But we're going that our Q is 1, right? Look, our Q is 1. That means sine X is equals to 1. Let's take sine inverse. That means S will be equals to the inverse of what? The inverse of what? 1. And what is the inverse of 1? The inverse of 1 will be 90 degrees. Will be 90. That means our X is equals to what? 90. Okay? 90. Let me use as this is the angle. Let me put degree, okay? Now this is the value of what? X. You see how we escape the Lambert W function? Wow. You can see there's a beautiful way of doing it. You see the way, because if we don't follow that, there's a method we use, okay? I will escape Lambert W function, and you can see, but it's the same way. If you don't escape that way and you are following the Lambert W function process, you don't meet any step. If you go and take your calculator, because it's not all calculator that have that function, which is Lambert W function, because there's a calculator always use. If you use that calculator and type those exactly answer we have, to give us the same 90. Yes, you get the same 90, but you know that's why the knowledge of mathematics is very good. Okay, you find a way to escape that Lambert W function. You have to obey the Lambert. What will you obey? This is what you obey. Once you obey this, you can solve any other problem. You can solve it. Okay, so the answer to this problem is that S equals to what? 90. The reason why I'm putting this degree is because, you know, this sign work with something like angles. Okay, so that's why I'm putting degree, but I know that S equals to 90. That if you substitute this here, you have the value. Okay, because sine 90 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, and log 2 base 2 is 1. That means log 90 is still 1. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you find it very interesting, do well to like, comment, and share it with the loved ones so others will learn. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime we do an exciting video, you notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.